Hello guys, welcome to another offer video. I waited for a few days just to see if some new offers would come up, and it did. So here we are on the 6th of July, and here are the offers. Offer 1, Intel is offering Halo Wars 2 and Gas Guzzlers Extreme, and also for content creators the Adobe Creative Bundle. It comes with its eligible 8th or 9th gen Intel Core i5, i7 or i9 processor based laptops and desktop computers. For example, MSI's Prestige series and their gaming series and the PE130 desktop. In this software pack you get the Adobe Acrobat Pro $15, the Adobe Creative Cloud Photography Plan, average retail value around $20, Adobe Premiere Rush CC around $24, and Bitmar Elite around $50, Gas Guzzlers Extreme around $25, and Halo Wars 2 $60. But there is additional info guys, and the Adobe software are not full versions, and I would have bought this laptop myself if they were, but it doesn't sound too good right now, but the games are good. Adobe Premiere Rush CC, you only get the starter plan. As you know guys, Adobe Premiere Rush is a simple video editing and mixing software, especially for online video creators, and the starter plan that they give you lets you create unlimited number of projects, but you can final export only 3 of them. It is like a limited version of Premiere Pro, so they do give you an additional 20% discount only for the first year. It might be useful for some of you. Then with the Adobe Creative Photography plan you get Adobe Photoshop and Photoshop Lightroom CC for 2 months free. You also get an additional 20 GB of storage, and you get 1 month of Adobe Acrobat Pro. Bitmar Elite, Gas Guzzlers Extreme, Halo Wars 2 are all full versions. Bitmar Elite is a single app for all streaming media content and all your current streaming services all in one place. The offer is valid worldwide. The official Intel campaign period is from 1st of May 2019 to the 28th of February 2020. But individual vendors have their own periods, like for example the MSI that I just showed you right now is from the 1st of July to the 31st of December 2019. So do check out your individual manufacturing brand's website for further details. Offer 2, AMD, get the Xbox Game Pass for PC for a total of 3 months. Here you can play Gears 5, which is coming this fall, and more than 100 plus games. Here are the eligible products: the AMD Radeon 7, RX Vega 64, 56, the RX 590, 580, 570 and the 560. And in processors, the Ryzen 2700X, 2700, 2600X, 2600 and the 2600E, 2500X, 2400G and the 2400GE. So here are the details guys. The campaign period is between the 1st of July to the 10th of March 2020. So you get almost an entire year, and whenever you redeem you will get 3 months subscription from that point on. A little more details guys: if you redeem the code before November 2019 or thereabout, you will receive 3 months of the beta version of Xbox Game Pass for PC, and after November 2019 you will get the launch version. The beta version is worth around $15 and the launch version is worth around $30. So if you are really not that into Gears 5, then waiting for the bug free launch version would be a wiser idea. The Game Pass code has to be redeemed by June 30th 2020, and guys, do make sure your retailer is participating. Offer 3, this offer is valid only in Europe, Middle East and Africa territories. Get Shadow of the Tomb Raider free with a qualifying GTX 1080, 1080 Ti, 1070, 1070 Ti and 1060 graphics card, gaming desktop or laptops. It's valid from the 4th of June to the 13th of August 2019. You have to redeem by 13th September 2019. Offer 4 is on MSI gaming monitors. With a MAG 341CQ and a MPG 341CQR gaming monitor, you get this $350 worth gaming chair, and with these gaming monitors, the ones that you see here, you get a $40 worth MSI speaker free. The offer duration is from the 1st of July to the 18th of August 2019, and here are the eligible regions. And additionally, after you buy this, you can do a shout out and win a free 4 days 3 nights paid for trip to the 2019 Tokyo Game Show, happening from September 12th to 15th. Offer 5: with the all new Aorus X570 chipset motherboards, you get some nice goodies like the X570 Aorus Extreme, Master, Ultra, Pro Wi-Fi, Elite, and the X570 iPro Wi-Fi. You get an Aorus pillow and a screwdriver. That is $30 value. And the X570 motherboards, which has a NVMe Gen 4 SSD, 1 TB or 2 TB, you get an Aorus windbreaker, $45 value. You can see the products here: the pillow, the screwdriver, and the windbreaker. Offer is valid only for residents of US and Canada. It is valid from the 7th of July to the 31st of July 2019. Offer 6: with an eligible GTX 16 series graphics card, desktop or laptop, you get an exclusive PUBG Nvidia tracksuit. These are the eligible models: the GTX 1660 Ti, 1660, and the 1650. The desktop and laptop versions are also included. The period is between the 5th of July to the 30th of September. The redemption period ends on the 30th of October. If you want to know how to redeem this offer, you can check out the card above. Offer 7: valid worldwide from the 1st of July to the 30th of September 2019, with the MSI Prestige Series PS63 Modern 8SC, PS63 Modern 8RC, and PS42 Modern 8RC. You get a laptop sleeve bag, an Ethernet adapter, a Prestige mouse, and a keyboard cover. Guys, with these laptops you get offer 1 Intel Adobe Creative Bundle as well. Offer 8: only for Singapore from the 1st of July to the 31st, with an Aorus KD25F with a 240Hz refresh rate tactical monitor. You get a Aorus H5 headset for free, and also with these monitors you get a chance to win an RTX 2070. Now guys, few repeat offers that are continuing from last month. Offer 9: Nvidia continues to reward its customers, and this time with Wolfenstein Youngblood. It is a co-op game and the trailer looks promising. So with the purchase of a qualifying GeForce RTX 20 series graphics card, gaming desktop or gaming laptop, you get this. And let's see the terms and conditions. With a qualifying 2080 Ti, 2080, 2070 and the 2060, the 1660 Ti, 1660 and any card below it is not valid on this offer. So it's valid from the 28th of May till the 6th of August 2019, and you can redeem the code up to the 3rd of September 2019. Guys, if you want to know how to redeem this game and some other buying tips so that you get the right card, you can see my video from the card above. Offer 10: all EVGA RTX 20 series graphics cards and the GTX 1660 Ti, 1660, 1650 and the 1060 graphics cards come with the game Grip. It's a combat racing game, and you also get an exclusive EVGA vehicle skin with it. I haven't heard of this game, guys, but I did look at the trailer and it did look really good. More than anything, it's free. The game is also free with the power supply units, EVGAs 850 watt plus, and also H370, B360, Z390 and the X299 series motherboards. It is valid on all purchases made after Jan 15, 2019 until supplies last. So if you have bought any of these eligible products after Jan 15th, then go and redeem this offer. And the last offer, eligible only in a few countries in Asia like Indonesia, Malaysia, Singapore, Philippines, and finally the offer has come to India as well. You get Just Cause 4 $60 full download and PUBG $30 full download, and the offer is valid from 1st of April to the 30th of July 2019. The offer is valid on all Prestige series and all gaming series MSI laptops which have an i7 or i9 processor or a GTX 1060 and above and an RTX 2060 and above. Okay guys, thank you for watching. If more offers come, I'll make another video in 15 days or I'll see you in August. Bye.